Imagine your body is a bustling city. The circulatory system is its entire infrastructure, the roads, the delivery trucks, and the waste disposal, all in one. This network of vessels is so vast, it could wrap around the Earth 2.5 times, powered by a tireless engine, your heart. This engine isn't just one pump, it's a clever double pump. A thick wall called the septum splits it in two, ensuring oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood never mix. The right side receives used oxygen-poor blood from the body and sends it next door to the lungs. That's the pulmonary circuit. The left side receives fresh oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and pumps it out to every single cell, from your brain to your toes. That's the systemic circuit, and it's why the left side of your heart is so much stronger. That familiar lub-bub sound? That's the noise of 4 powerful valves slamming shut, enforcing a strict one-way traffic flow. The blood travels on a specialized highway system. Arteries carry blood away from the heart under high pressure, so they need thick muscular walls. Veins bring blood back to the heart. This return trip is low pressure, so veins use clever one-way valves to stop gravity from winning. Connecting them are the capillaries, microscopic roads with walls only 1 cell thick. This is the crucial delivery zone, where oxygen and nutrients diffuse into your cells, and waste like CO2 diffuses out. And the cargo? Your blood. It's mostly a yellowish liquid called plasma, but the real heroes are the red blood cells. These are tiny disc-shaped oxygen haulers, packed with an iron-rich protein called hemoglobin. When you exercise, your muscles demand more oxygen, so your brain tells the heart to pump faster. You can feel this as your pulse, a direct signal from the city's command center, keeping everything running perfectly. It's a closed loop of transport, tirelessly sustaining every part of you.